Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. So in this video I'll be telling you how to make your own DIY ring lights. So watch the end of this video to make your own ring light. So the basic things you'll be needing for this ring light is number one, you need a sellotape to tape the light to the cardboard. Then you need your pair of scissors. You need foil in order to make the light bright, very bright. And the next thing you need, of course, is your rope light. They call this rope light, so I don't know, you can get it from the light store where they sell bulb. And the last thing you need is a carton or a cardboard paper. These are basically all you need to make your own DIY ring lights. So the first thing to do is to cut out the circle to make it the shape of a ring light. So the next thing is to put your foil on it to cover the cardboard with your foil. So you're going to cut out the parts, this part that the carton is, then you cut it out just like the way the carton is. You just be careful with your foil. Now you can now fold it to cover the carton. Fold the foil to cover the carton. This foil is to make the light shine towards you and not scattered in your room. The light is going to be concentrated on you. So you're going to fold this, and the next thing you will do is to tape it in order to hold it together. You can cover the parts that are still visible, the parts of the carton or the cardboard that is still visible, and you go over it with your sellotape in order to keep it in place. Now you're going to take your rope light and fold it like this, as you're seeing in this video. You can use your sellotape to hold it in this shape. Then you place it on your cardboard and use the same sellotape and go over it again to keep it in place with the foil and the cardboard. Voila, your ring light is almost ready. So you can add the parts that you connect to the socket. Yes, these other parts, you can now add it now. And you have a ring light to yourself. I mean, this ring light will cost less than 1,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. So we are going to test run our ring lights, our DIY ring lights. You can see how bright it is. Very, very bright. I mean, even brighter than this ring light you buy from the market. Swear, like, wow, see how bright it is. So with these few things, you've made your own ring lights for yourself. You don't need to spend those thousands of naira to buy a ring light. This can help your video, you make nice videos. So let's go test it on ourselves. Let's test this ring light and see how it is in the dark. Yeah, this is a dark room and you see how bright it is. Voila, look at my ring lights, a proud owner of a DIY ring light. I was so happy testing this. It was so bright. You can see how bright it is. Now you don't need to spend a lot to get a ring light. With this video, you can make a ring light for yourself and you enjoy making videos on YouTube. So I hope you guys have learned something. I hope this video have been able to help you, and I know you can make your own ring light yourself now. So see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe and like and share this video.